Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your Redmi 13 5G is charged or plugged in and unlocked. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Display. This is where the Always-on Display feature lives. If the phone asks, enable a secure lock method like PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, because Always-on Display requires a protected lock screen. Do this now so you don't get interrupted later. Keeping the device awake while you change settings speeds the process and prevents accidental timeouts. Once inside Display Settings, locate Always on Display and enter its menu. You'll see style options. Pick a clock, an image, or a compact notifications layout based on what you want visible when the screen is off. After choosing, toggle AOD on and decide whether to use a schedule or set it to Always On. Scheduling saves battery at night, but Always mode keeps it visible. Make sure to preview the layout and adjust brightness so the Redmi 13 5G shows information clearly without draining too much power. To finish, fine-tune brightness and timeout so the display is readable yet efficient. Enable wake gestures if you want quick glance access. If Always on Display doesn't activate, check battery optimization. Make sure settings or system UI aren't restricted and grant any required permissions. If problems persist, reboot the phone and, if needed, clear the display or system UI cache from storage options. This usually resolves glitches. If it still fails, perform a settings reset as a last resort after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.